Hey guys, this is Pat with USA Auto Planet here in 9172 North Freeway in Houston, Texas. The reason why I'm doing this video is to show you guys our amazing deal of this week. Check this out. The amazing deal is this 18-foot flatbed truck. It's an International with a Cummins engine. This is what you want. This International right here. It's a 2014 International DS 4300. So if you're a trucker, you do hot shots or whatever it is that you need to haul and you need some good horsepower, and this is going for a listed price, a cash only deal for $15,000.